Choo-choo. Huh? What? What you got to say? What you got to say? Choo-choo.
That's Karen Lee cousin. I mean Karen Lee's son.
Son?
What's his name?
Anthony?
Anthony. He trying to ease right around to you.
Mm-hmm. What are you doing?
But he is walking in them shoes good
Oh.
though. He
Right here?
getting better.
You mean right here? You
Come on,
waving?
Queasy.
Mm-hmm.
You don't even know who that is.
You waving, Juju?
And then I could look at him and see Lakia and the
Mm-hmm.
face and even his Dana.
Mm-hmm. What? What?
You got funny looking kids.
Who?
You because where Lakia come from?
down in the family somewhere. Make him jam, man.
Well, listen, I got an answer. Hello.
You
Yeah,
jamming?
I had seen I had a missed call from you.
You dancing? You dancing? You
Oh,
dancing?
okay.
Dance,
I don't
Juju.
know.
Dance,
Nothing.
Juju.
Sitting here outside entertaining little Joe with his big head. He working these. He working these sandals. Little Joe. BB said you ain't called her and said you was over here.
And where is that, BB?
He's sitting here working these sandals. Yeah. Okay.
Say hi.
Here come
Wave.
BB. Every time BB, she be here
She
in
coming?
2 minutes.
You waving? Juju. Juju. You wave. Hi. What? You waving, Juju?
I hope you don't be nosy all your life.
Mm-hmm.
Where's the shirt that goes to that?
He ain't have it on. I told you they put the shorts on and not the tops.
You know, let me tell you something. I'm gonna have to come over here and get him dressed one day just to put him on
Mm-hmm.
my outfit. Something told me to buy him some jeans on Jimmy.
Just regular
Some winter
jeans.
stuff. Yeah, cause you gotta get him dressed in the winter.
Mm-hmm. Shamir, Shamir.
Ah ah ah!
Get it, get it.
Here, let me see. Let me see this.
Oh, he threw it down. That's a big boy.